CARPENTRY in the Elven Forest by Alex French. This is the little book that could. As you open this book, beware. You may fall in love with the characters inside. It's insidious, you could say. This book follows the adventures of Jeff and Amber as they navigate their way through every trouble that society and gods can throw at them. And they do it with the help of a talking badger. If that doesn't float your boat, then I guess I can apply comparisons to Sir Terry Pratchett's and English humor in a gross generalization. While French wears his influences on his sleeve, his story is all its own thing. It's witty, fun, charming, and hits all the good spots. Most of the fantasy tropes are trodden upon, and most of society is mocked in one way or another. Religion gets boiled down to Dippy and Jim, and elven snobbery is simply frowned upon. I really enjoyed the interaction of characters, and the plot just kept me guessing where they were going to end up, even though I couldn't help but know everything was going to be okay in the end. While the themes in the book were a bit obvious, and the dad jokes and puns can make you groan out loud, you won't stop smiling throughout the whole narrative. Guarantee it. So put this book on your list of self-published reads to do next. It's well worth it, and enjoy your time.